Let's set up an email sign-up form on your website so visitors can join email list. Back to the dashboard. Go to plugins on the left side, select add plugin. In the search plugins, type MailPoet. The plugin is free and easy to use, not sponsored. It's the first option right here on the left. Click install, click activate, click on begin setup. You can set up the name and address from address right now or skip the step. I'm going to do it right now, so click continue. We want to enable modern text and fonts to help improve MailPoet. Let's go with no. Click continue. Click connect MailPoet. We are going to go with the free plan, which gives up to 5,000 emails per month. Start for free. Let's create an account. Click I have read and accept MailPoet's terms and conditions. Click continue. Now we need to check the email. Go to the email and should receive something like this. Click confirm your email address. We need the website URL. To get this one, go back to the dashboard. Go to visit site under the site name. Copy. Close this one. Back to here. Put the URL. Select starting a new list. Click next. Click I have read and agree with the anti-spam policy. Submit for review. Now we have got a key which we need to copy. Let's go back to the dashboard where we have the MailPoet. Enter the key that we've got from MailPoet. Click verify account. Click on start using MailPoet. Let's go to the forms under MailPoet on the left side. Click forms, scroll down, click add a new form. There are too many options to choose from. We can go with a pop-up, side in, fixed bar, below pages, or something else, or we can create something custom. And they have a tutorial to show exactly what to do in terms of customization. Close this one. For this tutorial, we are going to use one of the existing forms. Scroll down, click on add a new form again. Scroll down. Let's select this one. We can customize it. Let's start with the image. Click on the image and select replace. You can either upload or from the media library. Click media library. Let's select anything. Going to select this image. Click select. You can also change the text. Once you are happy with the changes, then click on the form on the right side. We need to add this form to a list. And if you click under the list right here, by default, we have the newsletter mailing list. I'm going to select this one. We can customize the message. If you scroll a bit down, we can change the style. Close this one. For the form placement, expand, we need to select one of these. I'm going to select a pop-up. Click on it. We have the option to display this on the homepage only or across all pages, or display it on all products and posts. I'm going to go with the homepage. If you scroll a bit down, we can also delay when it comes to displaying the pop-up. You can go with one of these options. We also have the option to show the form every day or always or every X number of days from 90 to 60 to 30. Scroll up, close this one, click save. You can also preview the changes. This is how it looks on desktop. You can go to mobile, and this is how it looks on mobile. Close this one. Let's go to and visit the site. In the top left, under the site name, click on visit site, and let's wait for 15 seconds. There you go. Now we've got the pop-up. If you enter an email address, click join the list. Close this one. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go to subscribers. Scroll down. As you can see, we can see the email we have provided in the form. We've got more options. We can resend the confirmation email, or we can go to statistics, look at the last click, the engagement, and more. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more content.